Hello everyone. We'll try to discuss differential calculus and we'll deal with derivatives. This is Crisanto Domingo, Head Teacher 3, Pedro Teorata National High School. Ganito lang yan. Firstly, define muna natin kung ano ang derivative. The derivative of f of x with respect to x is the function f prime of x and is defined as f prime of x equals the limit of the quantity f plus h minus f of x all over h as h approaches 0. Halimbawa, using this definition, compute for the derivative of y equals 3x squared minus 14x plus 26. So we have f prime of x equals the limit of the quantity f plus h minus f of x all over h as h approaches 0. So itong quantity f plus h na yan ang ipapalit natin sa ating mga x's dito. So this is equal to the limit of 3 times the quantity x plus h squared minus 14, the quantity x plus h plus 26 minus the quantity, yung f of x natin, which is 3x squared minus 14x plus 26 all over h as h approaches 0. So this is equal to 3 times the quantity x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus, distribute natin si 14, minus 14x minus 14h plus 26 minus, so tatanggalin natin yung grouping symbol, minus 3x squared plus 14x minus 26 all over h as h approaches 0. So this is equal to 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 14x minus 14h plus 26 minus 3x squared plus 14x minus 26 all over h as h approaches 0. So ayan yung natanggal na yung mga grouping symbol. Now makikita nyo yung mga kulay red. So, 3x squared cancels out negative 3x squared. Negative 14x cancels out positive 14x, and positive 26 cancels out negative 26. Kaya ang natira na lang is f prime of x equals the limit of 6xh plus 3h squared minus 14h all over h as h approaches 0. So, we factor out yung mga h. So, h times the quantity 6x plus 3h minus 14 all over h as h approaches 0. So, makakancel out yung h. Kaya ang natira na lang is the limit of 6x plus 3h minus 14 as h approaches 0. So, itong 3h na ito magiging 0 na dahil si x ay papalitan natin ng 0. Therefore, yung function natin, ang first derivative niya is equal to 6x minus 14. Yan.